Best ways to study effectively. The first one is spaced repetition, the art of perfect timing. Ever feel like you're cramming information into your brain, only to forget it the next day? Enter spaced repetition, a study hack that leverages the science of timing for optimal memory retention. Research has shown that spacing out your study sessions over time rather than cramming all at once significantly improves long-term recall. This technique taps into the brain's spacing effect, allowing information to be reinforced at intervals, strengthening neural connections and cementing knowledge. So, the next time you're tempted to binge study, remember, spacing is your brain's best friend for effective learning. Before stepping onto the next step, do tell me in the comment box, how do you like to study? Let's get to the second method, the power of active recall. Quiz yourself to success, ditch the passive reading and embrace the dynamic force of active recall. This study hack revolves around actively retrieving information from memory, a process proven to enhance learning, instead of simply rereading your notes. Challenge yourself to recall key concepts without peeking. Whether it's creating flashcards, engaging in self-quizzing, or explaining a topic to a study buddy, actively recalling information forces your brain to work, strengthening the neural pathways associated with the material. It's not just about reviewing, it's about actively engaging with the content, transforming your study sessions into powerful learning experiences. If you like our video, do share, comment, like and subscribe for more interesting stuff.